Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. Today we are taking our Halloween candy corn and we are going to turn it into this beautiful little bowl. This is such a fun little project, and it's great if you have a ton of candy corn hanging around, or if you just want something cute to present cookies or candy in. And it's just a fun way to use up this candy corn. We're using just regular store-bought candy corn, the kind that comes in a package around Halloween, and we're using about 2 packages altogether. Basically, all we're going to do is we have a pizza pan, we have it lined with some parchment paper, and we are just going to melt these into a circle. So we're going to arrange them all around our pizza pan in a nice little circle. And this part does take a while. This probably took maybe about 10 minutes to arrange them all these little candy corns in a nice, pretty solid circle. And you will have some gaps between your candy corn, and that's okay. These are going to melt just a little bit when they're in the oven. But we have some broken pieces also in our bag, and those little broken pieces, don't throw those away because those will be good for filling in the gaps when we are finished with our candy corn circle. So we're just going around and around, and we are making one big solid circle with our candy corn. And this is actually kind of relaxing, organizing these candy corns on the pizza pan. And if you have time or you are artistically inclined, you could probably create some sort of pattern between, all the different candy corns. But I'm just putting them on there as best as I can and not really creating any sort of a pattern with my candy corn. And I'm just going to take those little broken pieces and fill just some of the gaps. And then we're going to pop this in the oven at about 350 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. While it's cooking, we're going to prepare our bowl. We have just a regular bowl. We're going to cover it with oil. When our candy corn is finished melting, it'll be this nice, beautiful circle. We're going to let it cool just a little bit. Then we are going to wrap it around our bowl, just like that. And the bowl is basically serving as a mold for our candy corn bowl. As you can see, mine is not perfect, and that's okay. We're going to let it cool. It takes about an hour, maybe 2 hours to cool, and then we're just going to remove that parchment paper from our candy corn bowl and remove it from the mold. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Now, my bowl did come out a little bit on the messy side, so I'm just going to take a few scissors and just trim it up just a little bit. And then we're done. We can use this as a bowl to present cookies. I've seen people eat ice cream out of it. You could put candy in it. It's just a fun Halloween decoration to make. Thank you so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video at PennellCentral.com.